Namaskar. Today we are discussing about the crane lifting and what are the hazards in the lifting operation and also what are the precautions we have to take when our lifting operation is going on. So after viewing my video, if you like, please subscribe and share. So what are the hazards and what are the control measures? What are the hazards? Here there is a first hazard is suspended load. So what is suspended load? The load which is carried by the crane hook with the help of slings, maybe web slings or maybe a normal slings. So what is the control measure for that? In that first one, do not come under suspended load. If the suspended load is like this, it is lifted like this, don't stand here. If we stand here, at any time the slings may break and this heavy load will come and fall over us. So it is very important. Never stand under the suspended load. And the next one, barricade the area for exclude the unauthorized persons. Before we are operate before we are starting the operation, we should know who are the people they are in the operation. After that, we should know what are the hazards which are in the operation. So whenever we are lifting, in that suspended load is the one hazard. So to avoid that one, we have to take a control measure like barricading the area. So suppose here crane is locating, so in this area total around the area, whatever the area which is covering the crane, so in that area no one should come into this area. If anyone is coming without knowing the operation is going on, so there is a chance of accident accident. And the next hazard is overturn. What is overturn? And what are the control measures for the overturn? Level the ground, use outer riggers fully open. LOP means lifting operating plan. There should be a LOP, lifting operating plan. So if we are not opening the outer riggers fully, then there is again a big problem, because the entire crane load which is carried by the outer riggers only. If the outer riggers are not fully open, the four outer riggers, suppose this is the crane, these are the outer riggers. So these are not fully open, only 50% open or maybe 25% open, then there is a chance of overturning of the crane. So to avoid that problem, we should have to open the all outer riggers. If the crane operator is not opening the all outer riggers, we can immediately stop the operation and give the safety induction to the crane operator. And the next one is mechanical failure. What is mechanical failure and what are the control measures we should have to take? Third party certified, maintained and inspected. So we should always take care about our equipment like crane or maybe whatever the equipment we are using. So every depends upon the company standard, they are having every 6 months, every 3 months they are having their certificate audits. So in that time they will come and check the capacity of the crane, condition of the rope of a fast line and a big line. So they will check all the information. By that way they will know mechanical failure hazards. And the next one is collapse of crane. Don't exceed SWL, use SLI. So what is SWL means? Safe working load. For suppose any one of the crane, maybe any crane which is having a capacity of 50 ton. Let's suppose take a capacity of 50 ton, but they are using a equipment which is having a 30 ton capacity. The that having a 30 ton capacity, but the here is condition is, if 30 ton it can easily lift when, if the boom is in a lower opening, that means not maximum open, and the operation is smooth. So but if any case, if we are opening too much boom and even we are lifting 10 ton, also a big problem for the crane, it may collapse immediately. So whenever we are seeing this type of operations, like there are three lights always blinks in the crane: yellow, red and blue. That is what green is what safe, and yellow is trying to jump to overload, and in the red zone it is collapse. The crane will collapse automatically if you are working in a very critical stage. And next one, loose or uneven grounds. Implement LOP. What is LOP? Lifting operating plan. Outer riggers fully open. So loose or uneven grounds. Sometimes we see whenever we are opening the outer riggers, at that time the ground soil is, if it is in a strong, if it is a strengthy, then there is no problem. If it is like a sand or maybe something like a clay which can impregnated the outer riggers, having a big problem. So to avoid that problem, so we have a hazard like loosen or uneven ground. For that one we have to implement the LOP, lifting operating plan, as well as outer riggers fully open. We have to check it. That is the safety precaution. That is what control measure. And the next one, serve weather condition. Next one is serve a weather condition. Achieve soil stability certificate from the geologist. So next, and level the ground, use the timber soil boards. If need, you can use the timber soil boards also, but these are not recommended until unless you don't know what is the geological condition of the soil. So that is the hazard of serve weather conditions. And the next hazard is contact with overhead services. Like in some areas there are some electrical lines are going, at that time also we should give a proper signal to the person who is operating the crane, because he cannot see all the areas or maybe blind corner. So we should give a one person for the experienced to guide the crane operator. Here there is a overhead line is there, like that. So safe voltage distance, we should have a, always we should tell him be in a safe distance from the overhead lines. And poor communication is a very bad hazard. So if you are giving a not good signals, that is means you are not a certified rigger, then automatically there will be a chance of poor communication. To avoid that problem, we should give a rigger courses for the people who are working in the environment of lifting, especially crane lifting, overhead, chain block, whatever the equipment you are using to lift the objects from one place to another place. And the next one is striking with nearby structures. Always always whenever the people who is giving signals, he should know what are the objects which are moving, or maybe simultaneous operations what are going around. He should know everything, otherwise it can have a hazard like striking with nearby structures. What are the safety measures? Implement LOP. Again here also LOP, maintaining load angle chart, use proper lifting. And the next one is improper access and egress. Implement SLW path LOP, lifting operation plans again. And the next one is improper lifting. So what is improper lifting? Follow load angles charts, safe load indicator. If you are not lifting properly, then there is a chance of again breakage of the slings, or maybe collapse of the crane. Anything may happen. So to avoid that one, we have to follow the load angle charts. We have like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and so on, like that. So depends upon the load, we will put these angles with the help of slings. And next one, overloading. This is what in red zone, in the red zone. So in this red zone we will very very conscious about this red zone. So overloading is a red zone. So the light which is in the crane will shows in the red color, that is what the overloading. You are exceeding the safe working limit. It is not recommended. Use certified crane. If you are not using a certified crane, then also there is a chance of overloading will occur. So that will give a ultimate loss to the working environment. And the last one, swing hazard. So what is swing hazard? What is swing hazard? So use tagline to avoid swing the suspended load. Suppose we are lifting, or maybe we want to transport one long basket from one place to another place. So if such type of things like maybe a drill pipe or maybe a basket, whatever the thing which is having more than the length of 15 feet or maybe 20 feet or maybe 30 feet, if it is more than this length in feet, I am telling in feet, if it is more than this length, then we should use taglines. Should use tagline. So tagline as well as stiffy tools. If it is in the downside, we can use the stiffy tool. So what is the use of tagline? It can control the load. It can control the load in a definite direction. We can guide the what is the basket or maybe any tool which is having a length of long, that means 15 feet, 20 feet with 30 feet, like that. With the help of crane we can use this two taglines in one, in the one end, another one is in the another end. So in these two taglines we will use to guide the load from one place to another place in a safest manner. So that is what the swing hazard. If we are not controlling the swing, then again there is a chance of that heavy load will go and strike any equipment, will cause a severe damage. It depends upon the working of the environment you are working. So okay viewers, I hope you understand what are the crane lifting hazards as well as control measures. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.